Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, you can import functions or modules from another directory using a variety of techniques. Below, I'll guide you through some common methods along with code examples. Python looks for modules in directories listed in the sys.path list. By adding your desired directory to this list, you can import modules from there. Here's how you can do it. Replace /path /to /your /module with the actual path to the directory containing your module. You can also set the pythonpath environment variable to include the directory containing your module. Then in your Python script, if the directory structure is organized in a package-like manner, you can use relative imports. Let's assume you have the following directory structure. In main.py, you can import module.py like this. Assuming we have a module named math_operations.py with a function add located in /path /to /module /directory, let's import and use it. Create the module. Create a Python file named math_operations.py in the directory /path /to /module/ with the following content. Import and use. Now, let's create another Python file named main.py in a different directory and import the add function from math_operations.py. Ensure to replace /path /to /module/ with the actual path to the directory containing math_operations.py. These are the common methods to import functions or modules from another directory in Python. Choose the one that best fits your project's structure and requirements. ChatGPT.